model, 68-plate Ford Transit Connect 230 Trend 1.5 Tdci automatic needs repair Euro 6 VAT Inc. Body, blue, crew cab. Mileage, 116,825. Engine, 1499 cc 1.5 Tdci 120 PSS6H. Transmission, automatic, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Van runs and drives okay when cold, but when warm. The gearbox does not drive. Still can select all gears but just has no drive. Suspect the dry clutch system is failing, common issue, easy cheap repair. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is clean, tidy, and well cared for with plenty of life left in it. Clean and well cared for crew